Last time on Sailing Doodles, we left the Tuamotus behind and headed down to Tahiti. Tahiti and Moorea are the two largest islands in the Society Islands, and probably the most famous besides Bora Bora. It was our first time in a marina since we left Mexico, so it was nice to take advantage of that and use the water to get the boat clean. Right across from the marina was a memorial for all the atomic bomb testing that went on in the area.
So this is the memorial that the French Polynesians put up to, I guess, commemorate, I guess it wouldn't be a happy thing they're happy about. It says, the correct wording was, as the nuclear tests were imposed upon them by France. But France detonated how many?
193.
193 atomic bombs here in the islands, and I think some of them are still off limits. So
They're still radioactive.
yeah, kind of a sad thing, I guess.
So pretty here.
Yeah.
Out of all places.
And we're anchored, or our boat's like right there. Now we are going to check out their open air market.
This was by far the biggest city we've been to in quite some time, so it was nice to take advantage of the shopping and the provisioning. I don't know how I managed to escape the market without buying any jewelry. But of course, right next door, there was a pearl museum. I'm actually glad we stopped there. There was a lot of good information about the history of pearls. Most pearls are actually farmed and material is inserted for harvest 2 to 5 years later. The size and quality of the pearls can vary widely, but some of them are very impressive. Some of these strands are hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Pretty cool history about the pearls. There's some really nice pearls and there's really expensive ones.
They're like this big.
Yeah, they're giant. I'm very happy that we got out of there without having to purchase any.
We can go back.
No. It's okay.
Come on, Bobby.
No. Alright, apparently this is the place that has our boat parts. Hopefully. Success! Should be 2 throttle cables in here, float switch, and some lights and stuff. So now we'll go install this stuff. It'd be a lot easier to drive the boat.
On the way back to the boat, we saw some guys doing some impressive workout routines. This guy was seriously impressive.
So we did a little the tourist thing earlier today, and now it is raining. Got the little editing, uploading platform going on. It's not so bad. This video, it's at 9% uploaded and says 2 hours and 8 minutes to go. And it's kind of the thing, we're doing daily video uploads right now, so it sucks that we have to do this every day. Sit at a computer and upload and edit.
It sucks for both of us.
Why does it suck for you?
Because I'm reading a book when I'm in Tahiti. Who does that?
We actually have the phone service here is really good. They have 4G. It's really fast too. But the problem is that they charge $30 a gigabyte for data. And when your average video is close to a gigabyte, so that means every video I upload would be $30, which at this point, honestly, we're probably gonna do. I'm uploading episode 6 of our crossing, and I still have another 11 more to go. So that would be, at this rate, that'd be 30 hours-ish of uploading. And I don't want to sit here for 30 hours. Actually, I have to go work on the boat. And that's not touristy stuff. We got the throttle cables in. I gotta go install the new throttle cables. I just wish we had more time. There's never enough time. We're always busy working or something. But we don't have much time to go explore. Not as much as I would like.
Boat maintenance is never done, and I had a throttle cable to install. Even as big as this boat is, it can be pretty tight accessing some of these areas. It helps if you're part contortionist. I attached the old cable to the new to help pull it through. That attached the throttle cable to the control linkage, and it was just a matter of tuning it up.
Success. We have success. The engine's happy. It's idling good. Gave it a shift in neutral all the way up to 2 grand. Shifts into forward, shifts into reverse. Gave it a quick test. So I think we're back in business.
After the sun went down, we headed out on the town to sample the Tahitian nightlife.
So we decided to do a little pre-gaming before we go out and find some stuff going on in Tahiti tonight. So I don't know how we found this, but 5 liters of beer. Cheers, guys! Cheers!
We met some new friends that took us to the best place to eat, the food truck court. It really was a tasty place to eat.
It matches my outfit.
Thank you for watching this episode of Sailing Doodles, and be sure to tune in next week when we go diving with a giant tiger shark. And please like and subscribe.